In this video, I will show you how to download and install Google Play Store apps on your Windows PC or laptop in 2025. First things first, open up the Edge browser on your desktop or laptop. Now that the browser is open, go ahead and type Google Play Store into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results pop up. Click on the first result. This should take you directly to play.google.com. If you plan on using the Google Play Store frequently, it's a great idea to create a shortcut icon right on your desktop. Here's how. Look at the top right corner of your Edge browser window. You'll see 3 little dots. Click on those. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over Apps in this menu. Then click on Install this site as an app. This action will prompt a pop-up window asking for confirmation. In this pop-up window, click Install. Before finishing up, make sure to checkmark Create Desktop Shortcut. This ensures that an icon will appear right where you need it. Finally, click Allow when prompted. And just like that, you've created a Google Play Store icon right on your desktop. To access the Google Play Store anytime you want, simply double-click on that new shortcut icon you just created. This opens up a dedicated window for Google Play Store, making it feel more like an application rather than just a website. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.